right. My leg is just 5 feet. Yeah, you can walk now. Soon we have to train you to eat from hand. All right. Yeah, you have to come. You have to get used to me. Closer. You can come closer. Now we are doing interesting stuff here. Oh shit. All right. That's it. Mm. It's here. It's here. See? This is it. This is the food. All right. Okay. Now you can come. Come closer. Yes. Okay. I'm gonna remove myself a little bit. What are you doing? I don't understand. Come now. Come. Don't get frozen. Just no. Don't come around me. Go to the food. Belka, go to the food. I have coffee here. Go to the food is here, you see? Next to my... I don't understand why you're hiding there. Why are you hiding there? Don't hide behind the chairs. Just come and eat. That's right. Don't worry. Don't worry. It's all good. It's all gonna be fine. It's gonna be all fine. Come on. Where are you going? No, you see, that's where the cat is. Nothing will happen. Don't worry. Yeah, you can eat here. You don't have to walk away to go to your house to eat. Just eat here. You get used to the leg, then you're gonna get used to the hand, and then it will be... That's right. You see? Very good. You're in... How many feet is that? Like less than 20 centimeters, less than 1 foot. You are next to me. Now, soon we have to get you closer. That is not... You see? I'm gonna advance a little bit. You see, the foot will advance a little bit and nothing will happen. You can continue with the lunch. You're not that hungry today, but don't worry. Well, that's how we're gonna train you step by step. First from a long distance, then closer distance, then nothing will happen. You see, there's no danger. Yeah, you can go back now. The instinct, the hunger is stronger. That's right. You are very well advancing. There's no danger. There's no danger here. I'm just gonna relax my feet here next to you. Now you can come. You can come. Yes, Belka. Let's go. Yeah. Oh, look who's there. Look who's there. Look who's there. Your friend is about to come. Your friend is... You have to go chase him then. You see? Your friend is there. He is very curious. He wants them. He wants the food too. Let me. Yeah, you see over there at the end. He's there. He's coming. Now we have to protect the food. Now that's a double challenge. Protecting the food at the same time. There's another one. You see, they are all coming. Oh, that's the big boy. That's the big boy. Now let's get to some fighting. Now there's a big boy. Now this. Okay. All right. Protecting the food is good. But they will come. They will come. You see. No, you can come back. You can come back. I'm gonna get a cigarette here. If I find my lighter, where is my lighter? I was doing some important stuff here. Let me go around. Oh, lighter is here. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, there it is. Another one coming. We have to be patient when we train you. But you can come. Nothing bad is gonna happen. We are not going to put you in the pen. You have to protect the food because there are others who wants the food. You see, they are more aggressive. Probably they are more hungry. Yeah, it's all the way on the tree now. A lot of chasing. You have to chase them all the way far away of the trees. See, that's the trees there. There's a big fight, as you can see. There's like a real fight. Hunting and fighting and running. I want to show you this. Belka. Where is the fight taking place? Now the fight is down there. It's difficult to follow you because you're moving so fast. Yes. You're tired. I know you're tired to protect the territory. So now you can come upstairs again and go through the tree. You can come over the tree. I'm here. I am here, Belka. There's nothing there. There's no nuts. The nuts are here upstairs. There's nothing there. I said this already. Okay, behind the bush. Okay, I'm gonna go back to my stuff here. I'm going back to my stuff here, and we'll wait for you again here. If you come, you can eat. If you don't come, you're gonna be hungry.